青き光と魔剣のブラックスミス。
Hello, and welcome to the Shimmering Horizon and the Cursed Blacksmith with me, your Welshman Gaming. So this has literally just come out today, so obviously this is going to be bland. I just was just running around on Steam and I thought, oh, you know what, that looked good, because under the description I had it was a roguelike, smithing, and a Souls-like dungeon crawling. So I was like, you know what, that sounds real interesting. So I don't know what this is going to be like. So give it a go and see where we go from there. I do know that not all this is going to be in English, but for the most part, yeah. So we'll see how far we go. Let's go with a new game. There is the controller options. I'm doing it on keyboard for now, and we'll see. We'll see how we go. Do you want to use the default name for the main character, Lou? I'm probably going to mispronounce that. Do we use Lou? Yeah, we use the default name. Do you want to use Lou as the name for the main character? Yes. Please select your preferred difficulty. Details will be shown after your selection before confirmation. We'll go standard. Standard. Recommended difficulty for a balance between fighting and forging. Sorry, not fighting. Forging and battle. All settings at defaults. Yes. Start the game in standard. Please note you can lower the difficulty and it will be irreversible. Closing conditions apply. Adventure into the world. Okay. So I actually press enter. To venture into the world. Adventure after growing up. You also yearned for that, didn't you? To join the army. Battle the demons. Shower yourself with honor and glory. Do your utmost to protect the peace in this world. Faced with a war you cannot escape from, and unfathomable encounters. Oh, yeehaw. Before I forget, I'll try to make you understand. Then at least you will know how I feel. I don't think I'm happy. I'll tell you now. Please do your best to experience my story, my sorrows. Oh, hey, what do we got here? Kind of phosphorus? Okay, we're literally okay. So it's not WSD to moves; it's literally up, down, left, right. Okay, that's going to be unusual to do. What we got? XP 0, obviously level 1, 50 of 100, some half health, SP, special points, spirit points, and 25 erosion at 60%. We got a clutch jump, so Z to attack, X in the menu. Okay, C adjust facing. Okay. If these for the inventory, but that we got anything? No. X to cancel. A dialogue MV. Diagonal, not dialogue. Jesus. Health potion acquired. Nice. Soul piece. So that is. Oh no. Oh, maybe soul piece. I'm not sure. Health potion. But it still don't feel too bad. And there's health potion, and we got a. Oh, barrier. Boss fight. Press X to open the menu, then up for the item screen in a second. Weapon scrap. Weapon scrap. Oh, okay, so shift to run as well. I might change the controller because the up and down keys on my keyboard is very, very small. The X and up to the inventory. Select soul piece and Z, then choose use to receive souls. How many souls did that give me? I was on 25. Oh, souls in the top right, 247, okay. Open the item menu by pressing X and up, and then press left and right to switch to something tab. So X and up, and then left and right. Okay, so metals probably. Choose any of the materials with Z and then forward. Looking forward to on that. Ooh. Said 2 materials, okay. At least 3 materials are needed to forge weapons. Select other materials to forge with. Forging weapons will cost souls. Okay, so can I forge with the health potion? I can, which gives me a HP recovery rate of +3 and some sort of an additional effect. Okay, so I need to have 1 more material. Let's do another weapon scrap. So I don't want to use another health potion because I don't know how rare or how handy that's going to be. Let's see, what do we get? That's really loud on my end. I might try and turn it down. As that's turn all of you down on my end, I'll have to have a look at the code and see how it is on your side. If that's really loud on your side, I apologize. What do we get? We got a dagger that's got a skill, element 321, and rank 0 at 1, durability of 31, so it's going to be okay. Attack is 15. There's a nighttime attack that's a 1. Critical rate 20%, that's not bad. Block rate 2%. Max SP at 4%, and HP recovery rate of +3. Let's confirm. Then the dagger is forged. Can I go here now? Equip the dagger by selecting on the weapon tab in the engine screen. You can also equip weapons by holding Z without entering the menu. Okay. Now, can I just let go Z? No. Just enter. Okay, so I've got to literally physically equip it. Okay. Attack the daggers in front of you by pressing Z. Destroy the obstacles to proceed. Oh, critical. Nice. Actually, it feels quite nice. The controls are a bit funny with the mouse and keyboard. We'll see. Lou has leveled up, max HP +4, more defense 1. Unknown is defeated, 20 XP, so I get XP for that too. Oh, I like the auto. I've only just realized the auto map on the right. That's nice. So can I destroy this thing? I can. That's defensive. 40 XP though. You can spend SP to use the dagger skill, which can help you jump across the gap. Press S to prepare the skill, choose your target and press Z to activate. Okay, so press S and then Z to activate. And I want to go there. And then Z to use skill. Okay, I like that. More barriers. So I can't go back at all, no. Small piece of ore. Let's destroy these because I get some XP of them. Okay, so yeah, okay. So I need to find out where that durability meter is. So I need to forge another weapon, really. God, this thing is highly defensive. Come on. Jesus Christ. There we go. Level up. Nice. Alright, so let's see. There's X. Inventory. Dagger scrap. Your weapon turns to scrap to durability drops to 0. Use the scraps as materials to forge another weapon. It's a select item. Forge. And 2 more pieces of things. So I might as well use a small piece of ore and a weapon scrap. And I inherit the trim skill. Oh, I got an axe that time around. 23 attack, 10% crit rate. Chances of doubling knockback. Ooh. What's the durability on that one? 25 again. Okay, so I need to X up. Where is my weapon? There it is. Select item and equip. There. Okay, so the top right there, top left, sorry, is 25. So if I attack this now, the skill S for the axe can be used to push objects away. Okay, so if I press S, all that slashed. There's 44, 145% weapon damage, knocks enemies back 2 tiles. Sure. Oh. Damaged it by 2, that's not too bad. When equipping a weapon with multiple skills, hold or press S 2 times to switch between skills. Switch to Drum Strike now. Okay, I will in a second. Let's just... Okay, I can't go through that, so I have to jump twice. I don't need to hold it down really though, you press it. That one, and go to there, and then S again, go to there, and jump. So I wonder if there's actually going to be any secrets. We're just doing like a little auto map. Not every route is visible. Oh shit. Attacks Z, skill S, directional adjustments, hold C, and up, down, left, or right. Okay. Enemies will make the move as soon as you make yours, and won't move as long as you don't. Think before you move, no matter what you're going to do. Oh. Oh damn. I'm trying to get away from it. Damn. Okay, so it's going to be a case of being a bit strategic. Uh-oh. So I've got 45 or 104 HP. Does that regen over time? Just hold here for a minute, see if it does. Doesn't seem like it is. This might be a good time to use a healing potion. And we've just picked up one. So let's do, go to my items, health potion. Covers a small amount of HP when used. Didn't say how much though. Good time to test it though. So 45 to 89, so it does a good 45 more damage. Yeah, 44 if you want to get something cool. Move diagonally by pressing 2 directions simultaneously. You can also use the diagonal assist by holding A to avoid accidental movement. Oh, okay, that's nice. Moving diagonal can help you squeeze through gaps in mortar, but not obstacles and walls. That's pretty cool, actually, to be fair. So I need to kind of... I can attack diagonally. I lose leveled up again. So can I attack... can I change my weapon so I'm not using my axe? I don't know. No, it doesn't look like it. Well, we've got enough. All to do that. Let's do another one. Let's forward. Let's go for weapon scrap and a broken one. Let's see what we focus on then. Broadsword, nice. With a different skill. Chance of inflicting fragile state during knockback plus 15%. Durability is still 25. So can I put that on as well? With my axe? No, it's one or the other. Let's put the broadsword on for now. Full boots, nice. What's all this? It's lighting up. I don't know if this is story driven or what it is, to be honest with you. Holding shift while moving will speed the game up. Beware that enemies move faster too. Okay, so it's not a sprint. It literally speeds the game up. That's interesting. If I do this too fast, then I'm going to run into an enemy, aren't I? So I'm just tapping it for now. What have we got here? Nice open area. Explosive. Explosive can be used to destroy walls. Open the item tab in the item screen, choose explosive and select throw. Then adjust the direction towards the obstacle and press Z. Okay, so X, inventory, explosive, throw. Then adjust the direction towards the obstacle and press Z. There we go. Another explosive, nice. Do I need to do it again here? Can I do it again? No. Oh, holding down Z lets me swap. Oh, okay. Cancel. Let's do explosive again. Let's do throw. And press C. And then the same again. No, not you, so you stupid halfway. Silly man. Explosive and throw. That one needs some damage. Just attack you. Nice. Can I attack you? No, I can't. I'll just go around you then. You can enhance your weapon with materials. Open the weapon tab in the editing screen. Choose the weapon second hands. I will in a second. Ooh, magic stone. So let's go to inventory. Let's go to my broadsword and enhance my broadsword because my axe is almost dead. Enhancing is done by forging materials, and every weapon has its forging limit. The forging limit is decided by the materials used when forging and your forging level. Okay, do they going to get any sort of indication? Got small amount of souls after use. Good for small bit of ore. Broken metal scrap. Okay, I only needed one. My bad. Yeah, I enhanced it. I don't know if I enhanced it a lot. Does that take my... Oh, it does. Okay, so if I go to my axe, that's it. To get back its durability, let's enhance it with a magic stone. And random damage of +8. Okay, so durability in that is 18 now. The attack is 24. Fire damage, I'm guessing, with a +4. And maybe holy or light damage is an 8. Okay. Sleep potion and slowing potion. So we can use potions against enemies? Yes, we are. Oh. The monster girls are elites with high attack power and various skills. Facing them with other enemies nearby is extremely dangerous. Throwing items such as sleep potion is recommended. So press X. Inventory. At least you can stop and think about the battle before you do it, which is really, really nice. Let's go for sleep. Inflict sleep for 10 turns after use. I'm gonna throw it at her. So that's 10 turns. Enemies now asleep. Try and defeat other enemies for safety. Be aware that enemies inflicted with drowsiness will immediately wake up if attacked. That's fine. So let's go down to you. You're going to come down and attack me. Have I got anything else in my inventory that I can throw? Have I got another bomb? No. Well, what? Forbidding sword? Forbidding sword? That's very important to have, and that's there. Okay, so there's nothing else, so let's just attack you. That's for attack knives. Okay, so there we go. Now, if I no, how do I adjust facing? Ah, there we go. Okay, now she's awake again. Oni is no longer in sleep state. So can I use slow potion? Let's throw it at her. And then attack. Okay, I can't attack from this far. Holy heads! After your HP is depleted, you will start to struggle. You mash buttons, mash buttons. What? 205 has 2 damage to the Oni? Oni is defeated. Lose leveled up. So we died and then used it for bidding sword? Providing sword, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. So in my inventory is the broadsword still there. Let's get some more XP. I don't know if they get any drops. So can't attack that. Okay, so what's this? Can I attack you? No. Hmm? Ooh. The fuck was like a soul exchange. Your erosion is shown in the upper left corner. It'll accumulate during exploration. When it reaches 100%, you won't recover SP and block rate anymore. Okay, so where is my block rate? Ah, 33 at the top left. Okay. And your HP will gradually deplete. Get defeated again, and you'll be fully eroded. Okay, what does fully eroded mean? Start right die. Health potion. Focus potion. And let's jump down the black hole. Sure, see to the next level. I know. Oh, hello. Oh shit, you're an enemy. I thought you were friendly. Okay, she's in haste, and I blocked her attack. Your block rate is shown in the upper right corner. It is a probability for you to negate enemies' attacks. Your block rate will increase every turn, and it will be half when an attack is blocked. And I didn't get to read the rest of that because I was too excited about it. Ooh, that sounded painful. Oh, I thought I heard that beep. I thought it was something in there that kicked him in. Oh, I just realized my health. Oh yeah, mash. Kill my erosions at 90%, 91. One last shot. Reach maximum erosion by performing a cursed sword skill. My health is going to deplete now. So keep an eye on that. Equip the fortune right. Okay, so X up. Weapon, durability 18, durability 11. Let's put that one back on. Have I got anything to reduce my erosion? No. Increases block rate to 100 and grants focus for 10 turns. Grants small use of no. Okay, so I'll just have to keep an eye on my my health. Oh shit. C. Okay, alright. Let's go for health potion, use. And again. And then attack. Jesus Christ! How do you erode it? Press X to let go. They're still beating the shit out of me. But look how many enemies are around. I don't think I'm supposed to get out of that, right? Also, I'm going to tell myself. Yeah, let's let go. Oh. Are you awake? Greetings. Well, this isn't the first time we've met. Let me introduce myself anyway. Ooh, I love the vocals and the music. It's haunting, but it's nice. Ooh. Dorel? While we're here, please call me Dorel. It seems I am your guide. Dorel? I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. Let's call you L. The purpose of my existence is to save you from complete erosion.
どうして自分がここにいるか、
Why are you here?
そもそもここ
Where
が
are
ど
you?
こなのか。
Is that what you want to ask? Hi.
ここは私が
This
作っ
place is
た避
different
難
from the
所。
labyrinth.
あの場所とは
It's a
違
safe
う
house
空
that I
間
have
だから、
created.
ゆっくり
A
休んで
place for
も
you to
大
rest.
丈夫。外は
It is
ダン
dangerous
ジョン
outside
は
the safe
かなり
house.
危険となっている。
It is even more
し
chaotic
か
in
も
the outer realm,
外装に行けば行
and
く
we
ほ
are
ど
at the center
リ
of
スク
all
も
this
高い。
chaos.
一体どうなっているの
You
か
want to
って、
understand this realm?
そんなこと
It
を
is
気に
meaningless
して
to
も
delve into such
意味はない。
questions. Keep doing
今
your
の
thing.
君には
That'll be enough.
なすべきことがあるから。私はずっと
I
こ
will
こ
always
にい
be
る。
beside you.
君を
So keep on
ずっ
trying
と
and
待って
delve
い
into
る。
the depths of hell. Hey, I feel
So,
you're not really explaining yourself that well.
煉獄
I'm sorry if I cut her off then. New achievement, 1, 2 names. Magic stone obtained, so okay. Weapon scrap. What's this? Can I interact with it? Oh, okay, so it's items to melt. Why would I want to melt anything? Maybe it'll tell me after. Let's cancel for now. Spotted of all. Final. Training dummy. Broken metal scrap. Anything else around here? Wait, what's that down there? Status increased to Heavenly Soul, max carrying weight +1. Okay, so I need to keep an eye on those healthy souls. Did I say heavenly? I meant healthy. Can I interact with these pots? No. Okay. I can't attack the dummy. Yay! Probably even if they're doing a certain amount of damage, so like 9999 max damage or something. What do we got here? No. Like a sword graveyard. Preserving Soul. Status increased by Preserving Soul. Max HP +3. Not bad. Can I interact with any of these swords? Seems to be a big, massive important one there. I love the backdrop as well. It's really nice. Weapon scrap. Soul piece. If someone's going to the church, I'll talk to you a little bit more.
何か用？
What does it matter? Let's chat.
ダンジョンの探索。
Go and explore the labyrinth.
今の君がなすべき
For
ことは
now, that's all you
そ
need
れ
to
だ
do.
け。私はずっ
I
と
will
ここ
always be
にいる。
here to light up this
君
place.
のために
This
こ
is
の
my
空
duty.
間を照らす。
Please, thanks for the chat, love. Oh, we got a test on there. So can I use like clutch jump? I can. Picturing can now be identified. Is that my inventory? It's not an item. Accessory? Damage and thrown weapons and material +15%. Max thrown distance +1. That's got durability on it too. Okay, so let's not put that on yet. And say we did. I need to clutch jump again. I'm not going to go into the church yet. I thought sure I saw something else apart from this goddess statue. No, I didn't mean to press that. How do I cancel X? Interact. Okay. Yeah, there's that. Thank you for your support. May Scorpion be with you. Again, probably mispronounced that. Okay, cancel all this. There we go. The way that people have funded this game, maybe? I don't know. Is this a Kickstarter game or Patreon only game? No idea. Oh, the save point. Okay, so save points are the books. Let's just collect everything first and then save. Okay, even in here it's really dark and haunting. I wonder if I get to find out what happens to this place. Like, where's everyone else? Why is it just us and Al? Oh yeah, I've seen a chest. Stamina, health, and confusion potion. Now this necklace can now be identified. Let's have a look, see what that can do. Is this fire? Yes, but by how much? Fire defense 15, chance of dealing 2 damage when taking fire damage plus 25%. Durability 20 is quite a high durability meter. Okay, what's inside this chest? Ooh, multiple items. Soul piece, stamina, health, and confusion. So can I just take all? No, wait. Oh, that's putting stuff into the chest. You know what? Let's put that in there for now. No. Oh, wait. Hold on. How do I decode this? Okay, just press an enter. I'm going to put them in there for now. Until, we're a bit more better and we know what we're doing. I don't know if they're useful or not. Unlock memories of Bonus 1. Open the journal menu by pressing X and left. You can check all the memories. I didn't see what I got to say. Memories of Bonus 1. Let's read the memory. I quite learned from because I didn't know if there's going to be voice acting again. But oh well. Today I embarked on a journey and left home as a warrior. I thought we were going to fight against the demon race together. I never expected him to take the helm of his family's business and decline my invitation. When we played together in the past, his swordsmanship was on par with mine. I would bring him more glory to fight on the battlefield than to stay in that dark, dreary smithy. But when I saw his determined but gentle look, I knew I couldn't convince him. To uphold my father's reputation and the values and loyalty bestowed upon the Azrahat family name, I have a duty to set foot on the battlefield. As the son of a blacksmith, he has his own path and his own reasons. So is it us? So Lordy, Elise, and Guide. What we named that guy? Lee? I can't remember what we called it. Okay, so can I attack that? No. Can I attack that? No. Okay, so I've got a clutch jump. To that? That's fine. So I can grab this. Gimme. Perfect Soul. Status increased by Perfected Soul max SP plus 2. So that brown glowing chest. Okay, is our item chest. That's fine. So anything else around here? Not what I can see. Don't want to save just yet. I want to see what happens when we just put nothing because I can't get up there. Okay, let's save. Auto save 1, that's fine. I'm going to have save 1. Lose, not lose. Lose. Save here, yes. 3 minutes. You know what? I think that might call it as a first episode. Let me know what you guys think of it so far. To be honest, I'm really enjoying this. Yeah, we'll take it from there. So until next time, thank you very much for watching. And if you have enjoyed, please remember, like, subscribe, all that jazz. It does help me out. Gets me to create more content out, and you see much more of me, and I'm sure you'll want that, right? Right. Alright, take care, guys.